Hey everyone, it's Julie here, and today I'll be reviewing RocketVideosAI, which is a powerful platform that allows you to create professional videos from text in just minutes. This tool can generate stunning AI videos with characters, voiceovers, music, and more, all from a simple prompt. Let me show you something I created with this platform.
Bao dreams of joining the Kung Fu elite. With a heart full of spirit, he begins his journey. Every master started as a novice. Even the greatest fall sometimes. But persistence is key. A wise master sees promise in Bao. Guidance brings hope. Criticism shakes his confidence. The path of mastery is fraught with doubts. Remembering why he began revives his spirit. His resolve hardens, his skills sharpen. The big day has finally arrived. Bao's hard work blossoms into elegance. Recognition from others is the sweetest victory. And with that, a dream becomes reality.
That was a completely AI-generated video created in just minutes with RocketVideosAI. Pretty impressive, right? In case you're interested in trying it yourself, check out the link in the description below and you'll get access to a special discount, and I've also included my custom bonus if you purchase through my link. Feel free to check it out. When you first log into RocketVideosAI, this is what you'll see. The home screen displays videos created by other users to give you inspiration. On the left side, you have your project folder where you can access all the videos you've created. And also the tutorials button where you will find tutorials to walk you through every step to create a video from scratch. So to get started creating your own video, you simply click on this Create AI Video button at the top. The coolest thing about this software is that it can generate a video from just one simple idea. So the first thing you need to do is describe what your story is about. For this example, I'll try a panda who wants to become a Kung Fu master. But you can come up with any kind of video you want to create. Next, you can choose the language for your script. As you can see, many languages are supported. You simply select the language you want your script written in. So I'll keep it as English. Then you select what type of video you want to create. You've got options like story, explainer, pitch, tutorial, promo, or realty video. So I'll keep it as story here. You can also choose to include characters or not by toggling this option. And over here on the right, when you click on this magnifying glass, you can set the style preset. So what style of video do you want? Cartoon, cinematic, anime? I'm going to select cartoon for this demo. When everything is set, we can click on generate. Now, RocketVideos has created an outline of the story. As you can see, here's the scenes of the story being scripted. If I want to make any changes, I can just click on this pencil icon and edit the text. For this demo, I'll keep it as is. What's really cool is that the platform also generates characters for your story. Here you can see it has created Bao the panda and Wise Master. If you want to modify a character, you click on the pencil icon on this image. Let's say I want Bao to wear a yellow robe. Okay, and let's save and regenerate the image. Okay, here it is. Our Kung Fu panda wearing a yellow robe. On the left side, we can change the orientation of the video. We can choose from landscape, square, or portrait. I'll stick with portrait for this example. For the video type and style preset, we have already configured them in the previous step, but you can change it if you want. Down here, we can add special instruction for the script. There are a few options for you to choose from, or you can type your instruction directly here in the box. I'll choose no on-screen dialogues here. So now I'll hit save and then next. Now, as you can see, it has created a complete storyboard for me with all the scenes for our story. What's really powerful is that you can modify each scene. For example, I think this scene looks too similar to the previous one, so here I can type in a different prompt to regenerate the image. Let's try Wise Master showing Kung Fu moves to his student at Bao. Notice that when I type add, I can choose the characters that's already created. That's how we can get consistent characters in the video pretty easily. I can also change the shot type. So here I'll choose wide shot, and I can also change the location, lighting, and weather. So I want to change the location to a training ground. Okay, now click on Regenerate Media and I'll get a new image from my prompt. Look at that. This image looks really nice and I'm quite happy with the result I get. What if I want to further edit this image? Just click on Edit Media. Here you can access the Generative Fill feature. Here you can add a new element with the In-Paint tool, or you can remove anything you don't like with the Erase tool. And also, you can replace an existing element with the Replace tool. Just type it in here. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you don't like the newly generated scene, you can always get back to the previous version and set it as default, like this. Alright, so now let's get back. What's really impressive is that I can turn the static image into a video clip by just clicking the Generate Video button here. Let's try it. Alright, the video is completed. Let's see how it looks. Okay, the character is moving naturally, giving your story a much more dynamic feel. If you're not happy with how it turned out, you can simply click Regenerate Video to try again. Next, let's check the voiceovers for our video. RocketVideos automatically generates narration based on our story. For each scene, you can see the suggested voiceover text. If you want to change any part of the narration, simply click on the pencil icon and edit the text, and then click Save and Generate. You can also add more dialogues by clicking the plus sign here. So let me add a dialogue for Bao. Hi, I'm Bao. And then click Save and Generate. You can customize the voices for each character over here on the right. When I click on this pencil icon next to Bao's name, it opens a library of voiceovers. You can listen to the samples to find the perfect voice for your character. Let's try this one.
The Matrix series is a classic sci-fi action franchise that explores the...
How about Brian?
If you can't find the information, you may want to consider contacting your state's insurance department.
Okay, I like this voice, so I'll click Select Voice. And you can do the same for all the characters to your story. After selecting all your voices, click Generate Voiceover, and RocketVideos will create the audio for your entire video.
Hi, I'm Bao. Guidance brings hope.
Like this. So now you can also add background music to your video. RocketVideos actually provides a library of music for you to choose from. Let's listen to some of these. Alright, I've actually prepared my own music for this story. So I'll click on Upload Music, and then I can just drag and drop my music file here. Okay, now it's done. Let's listen to it for a bit. I'm quite happy with this, so now I can save and then I'll click next. So we're now inside the video editor. You can do the editing and get access to some customization options. You can trim the video by dragging the slider of each clip like this. And you can get access to some preset for the subtitle.
Bao
like
dreams
this one. This
joining
one,
the Kung Fu.
this one. You can customize the subtitle by changing the font size, the text case, the text color, 19, 29, you name it. You can add animations to make the words pop up one by one, and you can add the active word color, background color, like so. So let's see how it looks.
With a heart full of spirit, he begins his journey.
And you can also add very engaging transitions to your scenes. Like this, you can hover over each scene to see how it looks. Okay, let's try some of the transition effects to see how they look.
With a heart full of spirit, he begins his journey. Every master started as a novice.
Alright, let's add some more. This one, and let's see.
Even the greatest fall sometimes. But persistence is key.
So you can fully use these effects to make your video look nice and engaging. Once you're done, just click Save and then click Export. That's how you can make a faceless AI generated video from start to finish. Alright, let's talk about the positives first. RocketVideos AI is incredibly powerful for creating videos from just text. The character customization is impressive. You can really fine-tune how your characters look. The ability to generate videos from still images is mind-blowing. And the timeline editor gives you professional level control over your final product. I also love that it supports so many languages and that you can use your own voice through 11 Labs integration. The animated captions feature is really cool for social media videos, where people often watch without sound. Now, for some limitations, sometimes the AI-generated images aren't perfect on the first try, and you might need to regenerate them a few times to get what you want, though it's still pretty good. If you want to try RocketVideos AI for yourself, click the link in the description below. Right now, they're offering a special one-time price for just $37 instead of a monthly subscription, which is a great deal considering the value you're getting. There are also a few upgrades that are optional. The details are on my website in the description below. Plus, if you purchase through my link, you'll receive my exclusive Viral Video Secrets pack with a list of 50 viral dishes and channels to model, tutorials on finding video ideas, and my prompt library for viral video creation. check it out in the description below. And wait, before the end, here's another video I've prepared to show you the versatility of RocketVideosAI. Let's go.
Mornings are the busiest time in the family kitchen. Timmy is ready to start his day with a burst of energy. Watch the rich color and refreshing bubbles as sunny orange juice pours into the glass. Timmy takes a sip, smiling brightly. This is the best start to Timmy's day. Sophia enjoys her secret boost for a hectic morning. She is prepared to handle the busiest of mornings with ease. The family enjoys shared moments of happiness at the breakfast table. Brighten every morning with Sunny. A perfect start to any day.